Hello guys, Iran versus Israel. Who's stronger? In light of the recent conflicts between these two countries, I want to present a comparison of various aspects, focusing on those less frequently discussed. So let's go.
Iran, a country in Southwest Asia, enjoys maritime borders with the Caspian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Gulf of Oman. It also shares land borders with countries like Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkey, Iraq, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Turkmenistan. The capital of Iran is Tehran. Iran boasts an ancient history and culture, holding a treasure trove of diverse civilizations and historical narratives dating back thousands of years BC. Israel, a country in Western Asia, is situated on the eastern shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Its capital is Tel Aviv. The country shares borders with Lebanon to the north, Syria and Jordan to the east, Palestine to the east and south, and Egypt and the Mediterranean Sea to the west. Following World War I and the formation of the United Nations, a plan was devised to partition the land of Palestine between Jews and Arabs, ultimately leading to the establishment of the State of Israel in 1948. The land area of a country plays a significant role in shaping its economic, security, geographical, and political landscape. It holds immense importance for the development, growth, and sustainability of nations. Iran's land area is approximately 1,648,700 square kilometers. Israel's land area is approximately 22,070 square kilometers. Population is among the fundamental factors in shaping a nation's workforce, consumer market, economic development, culture, politics, and other aspects of social life. Population size determines the active and capable workforce, social costs and benefits, and the impact of production and consumption trends on the national economy. The population of Iran is 87.6 million. The population of Israel is 9.0 per million. Available manpower, or the labor force, is a fundamental factor for economic development and the overall progress of any nation. Available manpower represents the pool of individuals who possess the ability to work and contribute to the economy through their skills, knowledge, and effort. The size and quality of the workforce directly influence a country's productivity, innovation, competitiveness, and economic growth. Iran's available manpower is 49.05 million. Israel's available manpower is 3.80 million. Fit for service. Fit for service refers to the alignment of the workforce with the demands of various tasks and services. This concept signifies an individual's ability and readiness to perform the expected duties within a work environment. The importance of fit for service is paramount in any country as it determines the productivity and efficiency of the society's economic and social systems. The population of fit for service Iran is 41.17 million. The population of fit for service Israel is 3.16 million. Active personnel. Active military personnel are the core and fundamental element of any nation's armed forces and defense capabilities. These individuals play a crucial role not only in the defense and security of the country, but also in determining the military's capabilities and operational effectiveness. Their presence and preparedness directly impact the security and stability of both the nation and the region. Iran's active personnel count is 610,000. Israel's active personnel count is 170,000. Reserve personnel. In many countries, military forces under the label of armed forces are composed of two essential components: active forces and reserve forces. Reserve personnel play a crucial role in a nation's defense capabilities. They not only contribute to achieving national security, but also strengthen and enhance the country's military capacity, leading to positive changes in defense and security policies. Iran's reserve personnel are 350,000. Israel's reserve personnel are 465,000. Paramilitary forces, or auxiliary military forces, are groups that carry out military and security operations but differ from the main armed forces. These groups are typically recognized as legitimate military force entities but are primarily utilized for domestic and regional purposes. Paramilitary forces play a significant role in internal security, supporting the main military forces, protecting sensitive areas, and responding to humanitarian crises. They hold considerable importance in maintaining the security and stability of a nation. Iran. Paramilitary forces are 220,000. Israel's paramilitary forces are 35,000. Aircraft. The total number of aircraft a country possesses as the primary tool of its air force and air power reflects its military strength and defense capabilities. The quantity of aircraft at a nation's disposal determines its role and significance on the international stage, its ability to conduct military operations, its capacity to counter security threats, and its engagement with other countries. Iran's total aircraft 551. Israel's total aircraft 0.612. Fighter aircraft are among the most critical tools for a country's air force, significantly impacting its military and security capabilities. Fighters are employed not only to counter aerial threats but also to protect territories, execute military operations, strike strategic targets, and establish a presence in critical areas. Iran's fighter aircraft 186. Israel's fighter aircraft 241. Attack helicopters are considered vital assets within a country's air force, significantly influencing its military and security capabilities. They play a crucial role in various military operations, including deep strikes, ground force support, attacks on ground targets, and providing assistance in special forces operations. Iran's attack helicopters 13. Israel's attack helicopters 48. Tank strength. Tanks, as one of the primary elements of ground forces, are utilized not only for safeguarding territories but also for conducting military operations, engaging in urban warfare, supporting infantry, and attacking enemy targets. Iran's tank strength 1,996. Israel's tank strength 1,370. Armored vehicles. Military vehicles such as those employed by ground forces, including tanks, armored personnel carriers, infantry fighting vehicles, multi-purpose military vehicles, etc., are among the most widely used and fundamental tools available to a country's armed forces, significantly impacting military capabilities and national security. Iran's armored vehicles 65,765. Israel's armored vehicles 43,407. Self-propelled artillery. Self-propelled artillery SPAR refers to combat vehicles that are either manned or autonomous, equipped with either rocket launchers or self-propelled guns. These vehicles play a crucial role in providing and executing fire support for other forces on the battlefield. Iran possesses 580 self-propelled artillery units. Israel has 650 self-propelled artillery units. Fleet strength. The maritime power of a country, considered one of its primary military and security factors, is determined by the number, type, and dynamics of its military fleet. The type and number of military vessels are key counterparts to a country's maritime activities. Iran's fleet strength 101. Israel's fleet strength 67. Submarines, as a vital component of a country's naval force, play a crucial role in ensuring maritime security, conducting various military and strategic operations, and exerting influence over national interests through the seas. Iran's submarines 19. Israel's submarines. 5. Airports. Airports serve as crucial gateways for the transportation of passengers, goods, and services both domestically and internationally. Airports with the capacity to accommodate and support military aircraft facilitate the deployment of military forces and conduct military operations play a vital role in national security and the execution of military operations across various theaters. Iran has 319 airports, Israel has 40 airports. Merchant marine, a nation's merchant marine, as the primary means of transporting goods and commodities both domestically and internationally, plays a critical and fundamental role in the country's economic development and growth. By connecting the nation to global markets, the merchant marine facilitates the expansion of international trade, boosts exports and imports, creates job opportunities, and enhances the country's presence on the international stage. Iran possesses a merchant marine fleet of 942 vessels. Israel has a merchant marine fleet of 45 vessels. Oil production. Oil, as a vital energy source, plays a key role in the economy, industry, and security of a nation. Revenue generated from oil sales can facilitate investments in domestic industries, economic infrastructure, and development initiatives as a primary energy source for transportation, electricity generation, and various industrial applications. Oil is crucial for the country's economic stability and growth. Iran's oil production stands at 3.45 million barrels per day. Israel's oil production is negligible, essentially at 0 barrels per day. Defense budget. A nation's defense budget is a critical factor in determining its military and security capabilities. It plays a vital role in ensuring national security, military strength, development of national industries, and the balance of international power. It serves as a fundamental tool for maintaining security and stability within a country. Iran's defense budget is $9.95 billion. Israel's defense budget is $24.4 billion.